Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Bill. In this video we'll see how to make purchase entry. Now let's get start with the video. Go to purchase menu to make the purchase entry. Now select the supplier name list. Or you can create the new supplier profile under the supplier menu. Once selected the supplier name from the list, enter the invoice number from the purchase bill copy which we get from the supplier. Then invoice date. And then invoice amount. Now, select the products from the list to make a purchase entry either by product name or barcode. Give the quantity for the product. If there is any free quantity also you can enter here. Give the rate for that product and MRP also. Already we set this in product master creation. If you need edit here you can edit. Likewise select the multiple products want to make purchase bill. While save the purchase bill, make sure net amount and supplier invoice amount are same. If not, you will get error. So, check and modify it. Now purchase entry saved successfully. If there is any changes in purchase bill means select the purchase number from the list. Either you can browse or give F2. Once selected, you will get the list of purchase entry made details. Here you can make price or quantity modification as you required. Once done, update it. Check the amount here also before save. Suppose if you want to update the prices for the particular products. Select the supplier name from the list. Now select the products you want to make edit. You will get the details. Even you can modify the batch and expiry product details. And also quantity and sales rate. As you want. Likewise, you can make the changes for multiple products. Once done, save the purchase entry made. Like this, you can make purchase entry for purchased products from various suppliers. Thank you.